Hello and welcome to RA Builds. I wanted to set a little challenge for myself, so I wanted to see if I could build a lock, a number lock in Factorio without using combinators. And we managed to do it, so let's see how this works. What we need to do is put copper plates in these chests, which represent the numbers, and then put a splitter in this to confirm that we've put in the right numbers in this chest. So let's do that. So let's put in one over here, then another 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So once we put in the numbers, we just put in a splitter in this chest to confirm the number, and some magic is gonna happen behind the scenes. And if it all works out, then the gate is gonna open up and we can walk through. And once this gate triggers, it actually closes behind us and the lock is immediately reset. So let's see how that works. What happens is we have the inputs over here and we have the splitter. So the splitter is sort of a control signal, and if it makes it to the end of this belt, the gate opens up. So we have some belts in the way here, and these belts contain the code. So if this chest contains the right number of copper plates, in this case 7, then this belt will turn on. Same for this one, so each bit has one piece of belt that blocks it unless the correct number of copper plates are in these chests. If it manages to get through, what happens is it gets to this piece of belt, which reads the content and is sent along this red line to the gate, and the gate says, hey, if there's more than one splitter on that piece of belt, then open the gate. So once you do that and you walk through, this gate triggers the reset. So how that works is we have so the splitter at this point is over here. This piece of belt reads that the gate is open, so it starts running and it transfers the splitter to this piece, which is then lifted into this chest. And this chest is connected up to these stack inserters, and these stack inserters run when there's something in this chest, when there's a splitter in, to be exact. So it empties out all these chests which contain the code. So at that point, the first gate already closes. Like once these get going, the numbers don't match up. Or actually, no, it even closes before that. So once the splitter leaves this piece of belt, the gate already closes. And then it resets the lock, so it lifts all the plates out of these chests. And then in order to make sure that when someone new enters, these inserters don't keep going, we also have this inserter which is connected up to all these steel chests, and this will trigger once everything is 0. So if there's no items in these chests, so the stack inserters all finished emptying them out, then this one will trigger and it will put the splitter into this chest. Yeah, so that's the reset mechanism. So basically once you walk long enough near this gate for the splitter to move off here and move on to the next one, it will automatically close this gate and start the reset process. And then there's another trick to prevent people from sneaking in without knowing the code. So if you look at this chest, and at this condition, it needs to be equal to 7. So obviously, if you put in less than 7 copper plates, then you can never get this piece of belt moving, and you can never actually open up the gate. However, what you could do is put in the splitter first, and then slowly put in copper plates one by one in an attempt to, once you get to 7, then this piece of belt turns on and the splitter goes on. So we have a way against that, so let's show that off. So say we put in the splitter first. Oh, I didn't need to do that. I wanted to put in just one. So let's do that. Let's do that with set. Yeah. So one splitter. So we put that in. And once this splitter is over here, this piece of belt actually gets stuck. So we can put in as many copper plates as we want now over here, but they'll all just pile up over here. And this bit is now deadlocked. The splitter that we have over here can never move on. And the only way we can reset this mechanism is if we pick up the splitter. So the way we do that is simply we have this belt and we say, hey, we only have this enabled if the amount of splitters on this belt, which says read belt contents, is 0. So you can't trick this lock by actually putting in the splitter first and then putting in the copper plates after. Of course, you could just, you know, demolish the wall or walk over it with a spider-tron, but where's the fun in that? Yeah, if you enjoyed this contraption, don't forget to like the video so that others can find it. If you have a suggestion for something else I could build, maybe with combinators, maybe without combinators, leave a comment and I'll see if I can build that. Thank you for watching.